cool. So this is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is two lead magnets held together with nurturing emails that take someone from uninterested to sold. If you want to play sales funnel, you need to have a newsletter list, and the marketing emails, the nurturing emails, are really what takes somebody from uninterested to sold. So the first lead magnet should answer the question, what does my customer need to know in order to be a customer? And this first lead magnet should not take them more than 20, 30 minutes at the max to work through. And it should clearly identify the pain that your customer is feeling. Now, if you do this, DM me to get the lead magnet, or DM me the word Yaya to get the lead magnet. That should bring them to your newsletter list. You don't want to give them this raw lead magnet with nothing else attached, because it's really these nurturing emails that are essential to closing the sale. So we are going to send them that first lead magnet, and then they're going to start getting promotional emails from us. You can decide how you need to space this out. Email number one, pain. What is the pain that your current customer is in? Really tempting to go into your previous pain. No, we're talking to them. Here's why you should care. This is the pain that you're in. Do you even know that you're in pain? Great. By the way, I have a masterclass on yada, 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 and leading them to the second lead magnet, which we'll cover in a minute. After that comes the problem. So what is the problem in their life that the pain is causing? For example, the pain is, I can't stop putting out fires long enough to grow my business. The problem is that they're working themselves deeper into this hole with every passing day that they don't make SOPs. Third email, the consequence. The consequence is that they're unable to scale their business when everybody else is. The consequence is they keep telling their family they're going to take a vacation, they never stop working, etc. Story. This is where you tell your story, which is every qualification that you need to be able to teach on this subject. And at the end of every single one of these emails, you're saying, come to my special masterclass, or come to my special whatever. That first lead magnet, it can be a video, it can be an ebook, it can be an audiobook, it can be whatever. You could also do like, a 14-day challenge, or even a 9-day challenge where there's a different challenge every day connected with the same format. How you do it is up to you. But this is the sales funnel that we've been using for a while that I'm really happy with, that converts really well. And I'm stoked on it. When I work a new sales funnel, I'll let you guys know. But story. The next one is the process. So what method are you going to be taking them through? What is the process? How do they know that they're going to get a result? How is this tried and true? What tools, if you're doing one-on-one coaching, you say, I use EFT, I use this, I use IFS, whatever your concoction is. But what is the process that you will be taking people through? Please notice if you have resistance to any of these emails, because that's where your growth needs to come. For me, my resistance is always in the email that I'm about to tell you. In between this email process and the next one is where you're going to want to put your second lead magnet. Your second lead magnet should be live, or it should have some form of intimacy where people can reach out and touch you virtually. This should not be longer than 90 minutes, and it should cover the topics, the vision of where someone needs to go or wants to go, and the gap between where they are right now in the pain, aka lead magnet 1, to the vision of where they could be, and the gap and how you help them close that gap. After this comes the email proof. And proof is case studies and testimonials. If you don't have case studies and testimonials, that's fine. Let them know you guys are going to be my case studies and testimonials. You'll never get more live time than you do on this round with me. Proof. I'm like always so resistant to reading reviews because I have a kink for criticism. So I could read like shit about myself, but reading all the reviews, I'm like, it's never gonna that. Proof. Objections. I usually use a question sticker for this, but this is where I address like the FAQ, the main reasons why somebody wouldn't want to do this, and then I just shut it down. And I invite people usually with a question sticker here, and I say, and sometimes I do a follow-up objections where I'm like, I'll send you the best of afterwards. But it's a way for me to kind of cross-pollinate as well. Come over to Instagram. I've got a story sticker up. Vision is, so what's the vision of the pain gone, the problem solved, the consequence removed, and this new life that they're in? And then we're at our last emails, which is action times 3. So are you in or out? Are we doing this? Yes or no? And I send them 3 of those as a reminder. And that is the sales funnel. There was something that I wanted to say about that first lead magnet, but I forgot. If I remember, I'll add it as a caption on this video. All right, good job.